Welcome to the Databox web app, the easiest place to build your reports, manage users, set up alerts, and much more. Once logged in, you'll see a bunch of options. I'll walk you through each of them now. First, we have mobile data cards. This is where you will design the reports you'll view on your mobile phone. Once you create a data card, download the Databox mobile app to view it. To customize your data card, you can use the Databox Designer. The Databox Designer is a powerful builder for your mobile data cards and data walls. It allows you to build custom visualizations with just a few clicks. Don't worry though, no coding is required. To monitor your KPIs on a desktop computer or Office TV screen, you can create a special report for that too. We call it the data wall. How do you create one? We will use the Databox Designer for that too. In the panel on the left-hand side of your screen, search for the metric you would like to view in your report. Then drag and drop it to the data wall grid in the center of the screen. The grid is fully flexible. You can rearrange and resize every block to create a layout you like. You can also customize the look of your entire data wall by adding a background image, changing the colors, and adding your logo. Chances are you won't be able to view all your important metrics on one data wall. After you build multiple data walls, you can string data walls together. When you're projecting to a TV, it'll automatically loop the other data walls on the same screen. When viewing on a desktop, you can manually navigate from one to the next as you review the data with others. To share a data wall with your colleagues, you can send them the URL via email. To view a data wall for yourself, click on the preview icon. Once you've created multiple data cards or data walls, you can view them here and here. Rename them so you remember what each of them shows. If you wish to, you can reorder the data cards and it will also reorder them on the mobile device. With Databox, you can track all your KPIs in one place. No more logging into multiple apps, navigating to different screens, remembering loads of passwords. Having all of your data in one place will save you a tremendous amount of time and help you stay focused on what's important. To bring all your data into Databox, connect more data sources. If you want to view data from systems we haven't yet built a connector for, you can use our API to push the data into Databox. To learn how, visit our dedicated developers portal at developers.databox.com. You can also connect Google Sheets via Zapier as well as many SQL Server databases. These options give you lots of ways to get your data into Databox. Once you have your data in Databox, don't forget to pick your 5 most important metrics and configure your daily scorecard, a compact overview of how these are performing on a day-to-day basis. Choose your 5 most important KPIs and the time you want them delivered. A scorecard can be sent as a push notification to your mobile phone, to your email, or inside Slack. At Databox, we believe every team member should be held accountable for metrics and should have access to data to make informed decisions. To invite your colleagues to Databox, go to Account Settings. Enter his or her name and email address. If you'd like to restrict what data sources, data cards, and data walls they can view or edit, assign the appropriate privileges. Databox will send your colleague an invite to join your Databox account. This is a high-level and incomplete overview of Databox. To learn everything you can do with Databox, visit our resources section on the website, databox.com/resources. And don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team via chat. You can send a message to us anytime via the chat icon at the bottom of the screen.